the moment a child is born.
A mother is born.
What are the changes you're seeing as far as children is concerned, and also as far as their relationship with their parents is concerned?
So I think parenting has changed a lot over the last so many years. When I delivered my daughter, we only followed what our parents told us, right? Now the trend of parenting is more like, okay, my friend is doing this. I have seen this somewhere. Can I do this? So I think a lot of times I'm seeing parents having a lot of FOMO. Unfortunately, a lot of mothers have made parenting a competition and a race.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Anju Mehta and welcome to my first podcast, which is Everyday Extraordinary. What we're going to talk over here is not about extraordinary people, but about everyday life being made extraordinary by these people. Along my journey as a doctor, I've met many extraordinary people, but the ones who are truly extraordinary are the ones who are there for you emotionally, whether they are listening to you or whether they're speaking to you or they're caring for you. So this podcast is primarily about those people who make your life extraordinary in a normal, ordinary life. I couldn't have asked for a better guest on my show today. I have today Dr. Zeenal Shah over here, who is present at the moment, first time when the life is born. So, hello Zeenal, for the sake of my audience, please introduce yourself.
Thank you. So hello everybody, I'm Dr. Zeenal. I'm a pediatrician and a lactation consultant practicing in Mumbai. And it's a very beautiful feeling, as Anju said, that I'm holding lives the first when they come into this world. I love when the transition of babies is happening. They're so angels, when the first breath, the first cry, and you just hug them. So I love my work because I feel that I bring smiles onto the mothers, and I think in this journey I must have helped n number of mothers, and every time I come back and wake up to see that smile on that parent's face and those babies being more healthy and happy, and that is what I love about myself and my work.
So we've already heard from Zeenal that she loves to see the smiles on the babies, and this is what makes her happy when she gets up in the morning. So Zeenal, you've been practicing since the past 26 years. Tell me a little bit about your journey.
Okay, so I come from a non-medical background family, from a Gujarati conservative family. I still remember when I was 10th standard and I told my father I want to become a doctor, and he's just looking at me, staring at me, what? And I still remember my uncle telling me कि अरे तुझे तो शादी करके रोटियां बनानी है तो तुझे क्यों डॉक्टर बनना है. So probably from that era, if I look back, and believe me, it has been a beautiful journey where I was very, very, very clear that मुझे डॉक्टर ही बनना है. Okay, my dad had to take loan to pay my fees, and that was another thing, coming from a very, very humble background where we had to really struggle to survive. And वहाँ से शुरू करके my dad really supported me, my parents really supported me, and I'm the first doctor in my family. Wow. So वो एक feeling मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि today everybody in my family, oh, Dr. Zeenal, from that journey कि हम लोग कहाँ, मैं कहाँ थी और मैं आज कहाँ हूँ. I think that respect, that security, जैसे पूरे फैमिली में किसी को भी कुछ भी होता है, अरे Zeenal ये हुआ क्या करें, so I'm that one point contact to ask for them to feel, and they feel only better once they talk to me. So I think that has been a beautiful thing where मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मेरे फैमिली के लिए, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए I am still there. Of course, being a pediatrician is one aspect of it. जब तुम अपना background देखते हो ना, तो we feel that okay, I have achieved something in my life. So when I was in KEM, my first MBBS, I was in Pune. I did not get in Bombay by 1 mark. तो वो 1 mark मुझे इतना खटका कि I had to go to private medical college. From there, I topped Pune University and I came back to Bombay and I joined KEM, which is the most prestigious hospital for us. And I topped Mumbai University also. So I have been a through and through university topper.
So you've been a topper throughout.
Yes.
Right from education to practice to...
Because हमेशा से एक ही चीज़ था, I want to give my best and I want to do my best. So it was always a journey of giving the best. एंड वो एक हमेशा मेरी ये लाइफ में रही है कि मुझे अपने आप का 100% देना है टू एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग आई डू. And that is how probably I think I've reached here.
Lovely. So I have to tell you, same pinch, because I'm also the first doctor in my
Oh,
family.
nice.
And yes, what you say, right now everyone just comes, calls up, what do I do? Even if it's the smallest, right, from a
Yes.
cough, cold to a major accident, the first point of contact is me, and that's when I guide them further that you need to do this, or
Yes.
go and approach this is doctor. So yes, that is truly amazing being the first in the family, and yes, we get to touch many people's hearts with this.
I think it's such a beautiful feeling, no, Anju. We started almost working at the same time. I still remember those old days. हम लोग साथ में बैठ के गपशप करते थे, कॉफी पीते थे. जब भी हमको इतने लोग जानते भी नहीं थे, right? People didn't know us.
In fact,
I
कोई
think
भी नहीं
for-
जानता
yes,
था.
I think for us doctors, when you just start, when people don't know you, do you reach a point that you are one of the best? Okay, I think it's been a journey which we have walked together, right, in our individual
Absolutely.
fields.
So we've literally held each other's hands.
Absolutely.
We have spoken about our personal lives. We've spoken about our professional lives. We've spoken about our emotions.
Children.
Children, yes.
Yes.
I mean, many a time we have actually spoken about the emotional aspect of our children,
Yes.
how to deal with
So
them.
very
And I
nice.
know I have come to you for advice saying that my son is doing this or my daughter is doing
Yes.
this. How do I handle it? It has been quite a
true.
wholesome thing.
So I think this is where you bond and you connect. And I think even in my profession, no, Anju, I feel that this is where I connect with the mothers also, right? Becoming a pediatrician, I think we don't treat babies, we treat parents.
Yes, absolutely.
तो मैं हमेशा सबको बोलती हूँ कि हम ना बच्चे ट्रीट नहीं करते, हम पेरेंट्स को ट्रीट करते हैं, बिकॉज द मदर कम्स विद अ लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दे आर ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड विद गूगल एंड चैट जीपीटी एंड उनको ऐसा होता है कि भाई हमको इतने क्वेश्चंस है, तो हम ना ये सब चीज़ें हम जब एड्रेस करते हैं, सो आई थिंक दैट कनेक्शन, दैट फेथ एंड दैट ट्रस्ट, दैट इज़ वेयर इट कीप्स मी गोइंग कि हाँ, ये मदर को मैंने एडवाइस दी है ना, ये जेन्यून एडवाइस है एंड दिस मदर इज़ गोइंग टू फॉलो इट एंड शी इज satisfied with that. So I think that is what makes my journey as a doctor more happy and more satisfying.
Wow. So Zeenal, throughout this whole journey, how have you taken care of your emotional well-being?
So to be very honest, Anju, I think we all go through our share of ups and downs in our life, right? A lot of downs, you know of mine already, personal, physical, having back issues, having been able to cope up with emergencies, running around, not eating on time, not sleeping on time, reaching there, being available to parents, answering midnight calls. I still remember that probably in the middle of the night I will get phone calls every damn day for last 20 years. भाई डॉक्टर मेरे बच्चे को बुखार आ गया, मैं क्या करूँ, डॉक्टर मेरे बच्चे को ये हो गया, मैं क्या करूँ. सो आई थिंक बीइंग देयर, ओके, एंड व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू दैट पेरेंट, बीइंग इन दैट present state, okay, it requires a lot of courage, because I do not want to miss something. So history, getting the answer from the parent, what is the child going through, because बच्चे तो बात कर नहीं सकते हैं. So I think it's been a quite an emotional upheaval journey. But to take care, to answer your question, to take care of myself, I think मैं एक ही चीज़ देखती हूँ, have I transformed this life today or any life today? That means मेरे magic touch से. So when I first started my practice, I had gone to one Shraddha Vihar hospital, which is at Andheri, where there are nuns. And what those nuns do is they give, you know what nuns are, right? They have dedicated their entire life to serve people. सो जैसे वो अपने, उनकी कोई फैमिली लाइफ नहीं होती है, उनके कोई बच्चे नहीं होते हैं, दे आर ओनली डेडिकेटेड कि भाई हम ह्यूमैनिटी की सेवा करेंगे. सो व्हेन आई फर्स्ट वेंट देयर एंड आई सॉ दैट इज़ व्हाट बिकेम माई मोटो ऑफ लाइफ. आई सेड गॉड हैज़ गिवन मी मैजिक टच. When I went through personal crisis, I didn't have any money with me. I didn't have 100 rupees with me. And when I went to that hospital, the only thing which I saw is, भगवान ने मुझे डॉक्टर बनाया है. I have magic in my hands. And that magic, okay, I can pass it on to others. And I started helping mothers, babies, people whom I touched, who touched my lives, who came to me for help. And I think this is what goes me going, that I am transforming lives.
Wow.
And I am bringing smile onto people's faces, and I am allowing babies to grow healthy. So I think this has been my to-go motivation on a daily basis. But to take care of my emotions has not been easy. So I think what has really given me that emotional upheaval is friends, family support, dance. I love dancing, and a lot of things about where my happy hormones get released, like doing some physical activity, yoga, and most important, completing my sleep.
Wow. So you're all heart basically, all heart with a healing touch, and of course you take into dancing to take care of
Yes.
your emotional well-being. That's lovely, amazing in fact. So with the presence of social media and with AI coming in, what are the changes you're seeing as far as children is concerned, and also as far as their relationship with their parents is concerned?
Right. So I think parenting has changed a lot over the last so many years, right? I think probably from the time when maybe in 2000 when I delivered my daughter, कि तभी हम जैसे we had no source of much of internet also, and we only followed what our parents told us, right? अच्छा मम्मी ने बोला है करना है, अच्छा दादी ने बोला है करना है. So that is how that one trend of parenting was. Now the trend of parenting is more like, okay, my friend is doing this, I have seen this somewhere, can I do this? So I think a lot of times I'm seeing parents having a lot of FOMO, fear of missing out, and also they feel that there's a race. So I don't feel that parenting is a race, but unfortunately a lot of mothers have made parenting a competition and a race. So this is where I see that when parents are coming, they're giving a conversation, डॉक्टर उसका बच्चा तो 3 रोटी खाता है, मेरा बच्चा 2 ही रोटी खाता है. So a comparison has come in. हाँ, डॉक्टर मेरा ना मेरे ये पतला दिखता है क्लास में, मेरे उसका जो फ्रेंड है वो मोटा दिखता है या उसका लंबा है. So this is where the comparison comes in. So I feel that this aspect where parenting becomes a competition is not advisable, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि emotionally, okay, if you per se as a parent are satisfied, are taking care of your emotions, you become a better parent. In medical language we call it autonomic nervous system,
Yes.
right? Where we say that if a mother is very hyper, मेरा बच्चा सोया नहीं, हाँ मेरे बच्चे को सर्दी हो गया, हाँ ये डॉक्टर 99 है मेरे बच्चे को, 10 times that mother will call up कि डॉक्टर मेरे बच्चे को 99 fever है, मैं क्या करूँ? If I'm busy in an emergency also, that parent will not stop calling and that parent will continuously call me. तो ये क्या होता है ना, emotionally, okay, parents need to be balance themselves when they are becoming parents, or to take care of lives around us, because we are multitaskers. Even that mother is उसको घर में क्या चल रहा है, in-laws का क्या चल रहा है, उसके करियर का क्या चल रहा है, उसके बच्चों का क्या चल रहा है, खुद का क्या चल रहा है, husband का क्या चल रहा है. So it's like a
rat race over here.
Yes, no, it's like so much things. We are actually वो जो I still remember that image के all mothers have like 10 हाथ होते हैं हमारे, हम ये भी कर रहे हैं, हम ये भी कर रहे हैं, हम ये भी कर रहे हैं, हमको अपना खुद का भी ध्यान रखना है. So in all of that, I feel that most important thing I tell every mother or every woman is that you need to take care of yourself. आज मेरा भंडा भरा हुआ है तो ही मैं अपने भंडे में से किसी को दे सकती हूँ, right? So if I don't have that happiness, if I can't take care of my emotions, I can't take care of others. So this is what I tell my parents also and my mothers, कि अपना ध्यान रखो, then you will be a better parent, then you will be a better wife, and you will be a better human. So this is where I pass this energy to my parents also, to my patients also, and I think that is why they love coming to me.
Absolutely, I'm sure. I see the number of hearts in your clinic, the babies coming in and giving you hugs and the hearts.
See, this one baby gave me today this.
Lovely.
Okay, so I think I come for these stickers. I come for these stars. Some parents come and give me stars. Babies come and give me stars. And a lot of times these babies also tell me, that is one. My mother told me that doctor in school mein there was this thing where they were supposed to go on the stage and speak. Whom do you want to become when you become big? And the answer which came is, I want to become Dr. Zeenal.
Oh wow!
And that becomes
That's such a biggest compliment.
Biggest compliment. And she came and told me, she showed me the recording, and she's like, see, my daughter wants to become like you. Wow. So I become like an image where I'm an inspiration to them, and I think this is what makes me so happy, and my complete day chaos is worthwhile.
Absolutely.
When this happens.
So before we wrap up, let's have a rapid fire. Just one line answers or one word answers, not too long. Okay? Chai or coffee?
Coffee.
The best sound in the world?
Babies.
Cry of the babies?
Or singing. Or they sing. They come and sing poetries to me.
Oh, amazing. Cutest thing the baby's ever done for you?
Cutest thing, they have made such beautiful cards and given me. So I think they have still treasured those, right?
Wow.
Where they have drawn me and they have drawn my curly hair.
Funniest advice a grandmother has given you in the OPD?
डॉक्टर बच्चे को सर्दी है ना तो आइसक्रीम नहीं खाना चाहिए. This is the 4,000 times I must have heard this.
If not a doctor, what would you be?
Maybe a artist in the terms of I love fashion. So maybe I would have been a fashion designer.
We match there. One thing that the newborn mother has to be told on day one.
It's a journey. Just stay calm Don't take stress and be happy about it. Just go through that journey. Walk the journey happily.
Complete the line. The moment a child is born.
Mother is born.
Yes, great. Okay. You being a lactational expert, let's play a little game. I'm going to ask you questions and let's see what your answer is to
Okay,
it.
let's go.
So, small breast means less milk.
That's a myth. It's not true. Every human breast has the same number of milk ducts.
You need to drink lots of milk to produce more milk.
Absolutely no. You don't need to do that. Milk is not necessary to make milk. Again, that's a myth.
Okay, working mothers can't feed, should not breastfeed.
No. In fact, working mothers should breastfeed because then they kind of maintain that emotional balance, because when you breastfeed, you're giving that emotional calm to your baby and that sense of security. And when you are breastfeeding, you lose weight also very fast and you can balance your time the best way. So in fact, working mothers should breastfeed.
The first yellow milk which comes out from the breast should be thrown off.
No, that's called colostrum. It's the first vaccination of the baby. It's the richest in immunity, and we actually say that should be given. So that's a myth.
Okay, great. Zinal, when you take care of yourself, do you think your physical appearance or taking care of your hair and skin also makes a difference?
To be very honest, Anju, yes. Because I think whenever parents are coming to you, they definitely want to see कि आज डॉक्टर ने क्या पहना है, आज डॉक्टर कैसे लगेंगे. See, we are presentable when we are sitting in our space. Of course, we don't have to. I don't believe in being dressed up, but I believe in being presentable, happy. And the most important thing which I wear is the smile and my aura of my energy, where parents are coming to you for your energy, right? But having said that, it is very important to see how we are looking. So I think as a human also, I per se feel that my appearance makes me feel confident, makes me feel happy. So how am I dressed up, how is my skin looking, do I have blemishes, and I definitely use the products which you had recommended me and they really help me a lot. So I think it's the glow which comes externally and internally. Both. Being happy is the best medicine one should take, and yes, being confident about how you look. So I think
Yes,
every woman,
absolutely.
every mother, like a lot of times mothers come and tell me, doctor, I put on so much weight after my delivery. I don't like looking at myself in the mirror. So I keep telling them that. I said, you need to embrace yourself, embrace the beauty. You are the most beautiful person under this earth. And we need to keep telling ourselves, I keep telling myself that I'm the most luckiest and the most happiest and the most beautiful person.
Lovely. So Zinal, before I let you go, what is the one message which you would like to give to all the mothers out there who are listening? Is there anything specific you would like to say?
So I think being a mother is the most beautiful feeling in this world. I feel that as a woman, okay, we all need to be complete within ourselves and balance our lives with our emotions, our physical health, our mental health, and being there and showing up like how we do. Like so many times it has happened that yes, I'm not in the right frame of mind, but I show up, right? And that show up only comes with that thing, I have to do better today. So
Yes.
try to be a better version of yourself, and believe me, you will reach where you want to reach.
Showing up not just for patients or not for people, but also for your own self. That is
Yes.
also very much
Commitment.
important.
That
Yes.
you keep up to your commitment.
Yes.
So I feel commit to whatever you say and commit to the best and commit to everything what you feel that you are capable of doing, you can do it.
Thank you, Zinal, for being over here today, and let's catch up over a coffee soon.
For all times, right? I still
Absolutely.
remember how much. I think in our busy schedules, we really need to remove time for friends and be with each other to motivate each other. मुझे ऐसे लगता है ना हमेशा whenever you meet friends and especially people with whom you have been for so many years, you always learn something and you always have a good thing to give, like hug. So I think we should catch up, and thank you for inviting me, Dr. Anju. It was amazing to be on your maiden episode, and I'm so happy and feeling so good to be here. Thank you.
Come, let me give you a hug. Come. Thank you everyone for watching the maiden episode of Everyday Extraordinary. And if you like the content, do subscribe and definitely pass on this to your friends.